last time we were here, we got the deck all torn off. I went to the Homeless Despot and picked up some of the worst pressure treated I could find, because that was all they had. Short sidebar, years ago when I was a drunk and I went on work trips, I would book my hotels based on their walking distance to bars or restaurants with bars, because that's, you know, I was conscientious back then and didn't want to drink and drive. Anyway, one time this lady came in and sat down a couple of seats down, and we just started talking because we were the only two sitting at the bar. And she was actually a salesperson for a lumber company, and like Home Depot and Lowe's were her clients, and she would sell lumber. And I asked her, it's like, is it just me, or is Home Depot's lumber the worst junk on the planet? And she said, absolutely true. You get what you pay for, and they don't pay for much. So yeah, you're better off going to Lowe's. So we get a bunch of 2x8s, 2x12, 2x10s and a 2x12, and I think I should be able to make something work in here. And then I got my screws, which are pretty neat, and these are kind of what the ones that have been cut off on this thing from originally look like. So we're going to give that a shot after this rain stops. It's about 38 degrees and raining right now. We're lucky we haven't hit the freezing rain or ice yet down here. And I don't think we're going to get any ice buildup. We may get some on the roads because it's going to get cold tonight, but I think that's going to be after the precipitation has passed, so that's a good thing. Anyway, since I'm here and I got a job for this thing on Tuesday, I got to do something and get this moving. So I'm going to get a tape measure, a saw, and some other things, and maybe a wrench and a hammer and some stuff like that, straighten some of this out a little bit. And we're going to start seeing what we can do. Alright, got the first one cut to length. Gonna screw it down up there and then ratchet strap this in till it's squarish. Got this stuff tweaked a little bit. I think it'll be fine. And we'll go from there. See how this is gonna work. Got our drill bit. Alright. See how this silliness works. Ooh, that's slicker than snot. That worked pretty slick. Probably drilling right into a damn weld. Smoked that bit already, which sucks. What the hell size is this damn thing? I'm gonna have to go find another bit. Alright, found another bit. There we go. Alright. Well, we're going to continue in that manner until we finish this mess up. Alright, well, the first three are in. Pretty squarish. I like these screws. That's working out real slick. Drill a hole, drive it in. Yeah, not too bad. These back ones are going to be a little interesting because you got to rabbet the back. I may get my table saw out just for that. We'll see. So now I think I'm going to start from this side and go to the center, and then we'll save that 2x8 for the center when we get there. But I got to move since I need to strap it to make sure these square up, because you can see they're not the best. I'm going to get this wood moved over to this side. Alright, well, I don't know if that's how it was originally done, but 6 2x10s and that one 2x8 just stomped in there. No trimming. Got to screw it down yet, but I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that works. Not bad at all. Didn't have to trim it. That's beautiful. Alright, let's finish up the deck. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, that's pretty slick. I make myself a crib for my jack for the camper, I guess, out of all that shit. I wanted 20-foot pieces because that would have been enough for the whole thing, but they didn't have them. All they had was 16s, and this is like a 14-foot 6-inch flat top, so that didn't work. But we got a bunch of scrap. Anyway, no, that came out really good. I'm happy with that. That's really nice. These screws are fantastic. But they didn't have enough. I needed one more 2x10. And they didn't have it. So we got 2x12. What I may do, since that worked, well, no, it doesn't matter because I didn't get another 2x8 either. So I'm going to use this 2x10 and that 2x12 and do what I need to do to fill this beaver tail up. So I'm going to start figuring out what we're going to do with that. Alright, well, the temperature is starting to drop. Woof! But I think we got a trailer, boys. Had to take the 2x12s and the few little 2x10s. I had to take about a 1/4 inch off of one side of that 2x10, the last piece, but I'm pretty happy with that. I don't think she's going anywhere. All my little chunks from chiseling out all of the rabbets or whatever the hell that kind of woodwork is called. I don't think she's going anywhere. That should last a good long time. And I didn't go completely psycho and bevel this in so it matched, so you'll have that on these big jobs. But that's it. I may actually have enough 2x10 left when I get around to reflooring this piece. Yeah, now the only step left is to get a big 12,000-pound winch from the Harley Grate and get that stuck on this thing. I don't know if I'm going to use that or build something else or something, I don't know. I'll probably try to put it on the front. I may end up building a frame around here to hold it and then just run it through that hole or cut that hole out a little more. We'll see, because I don't really, most winches don't mount like that today. They mount on the bottom and go forward. So we'll figure that out. That may have been a hand crank, who knows. But yeah, she is done effectively. She is a trailer. I'm super happy with that. but it is getting bloody cold out right now. And so we are going to call this one a day. Hope you're all doing well, and we will catch you in the next one. Take care.